Hello everyone, today's a new day, new life, new beginning, and new lesson. Once again, I'm Teacher Angie. Our lesson for today is about volume, area, perimeter, and circumference. We need to define first those terms. Volume is the amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional figure as measured in a cubic units, as inches, quarts, or centimeters. So when we say cubic units, the units is raised to the power of 3. Cubic capacity means it is the amount of a substance occupying a particular volume. Area, in geometry, the area can be defined as the space occupied by a flat shape or the surface of an object. The area of a figure is the number of unit squares that cover the surface of a closed figure. So unit squares, meaning to say the unit must be raised to the power of 2. That is the difference between volume and area. I repeat, if it is volume, the exponent of the units is 3. Area, the exponent of the unit is 2. Next is perimeter. The perimeter is the length of the outline of a shape, meaning to say the measurement around any shape. To find the perimeter of an object or shape, you have to add the lengths of all the sides. Our circumference, it is the perimeter of a circle or ellipse. More generally, the perimeter is the curved length around any closed figure. Sample problems, we have solve what is being asked. Show your complete solution. So we have letter A, B, C, and D. So for letter A, find the circumference of a circle. Use 3.14 as the value of pi. So for number 1, our given is r is equal to 5 centimeter. And for our formula for circle, we have c is equal to pi d or c is equal to 2 pi r. Since the given is r, so we will use c is equal to 2 pi r. And for our solution, first we need to copy the formula. Why do we always need to copy the formula first? Because the formula is our guide. Next, substitute the given. So we have now c is equal to copy 2 and then change pi to 3.14 times the value of r, which is our given 5 centimeters. So we have 5 centimeter here. Then follow the order of operation. So we will do first 2 times 3.14. So we have now c is equal to 2 times 3.14 is 6.28 multiplied by 5 centimeter. And 6.28 times 5 centimeter, we have now 31.4 centimeter. Therefore, the circumference of a circle having a radius of 5 centimeter is 31.4 centimeter. Next, for number 2, our given is r is equal to 7 centimeter. And for our formula, we will use the same since the given is r. Therefore, we have c is equal to 2 pi r. And for our solution, of course, copy first the formula and then substitute the given. Therefore, we have now c is equal to 2 times our pi, which is 3.14, multiplied by our r, which is 7 centimeter. And then following the order of operation, we multiply first 2 times 3.14. So we have now 6.28. And then multiplied by 7 centimeter. So we have now 6.28 times 7 centimeter is 43.96 centimeter. Therefore, the circumference of a circle having a radius of 7 centimeter is 43.96 centimeter. And for our number 3, the given is r is equal to 2.3 centimeter. And since the given is radius, so our formula is c is equal to 2 pi r. And for our solution, first, copy the formula, then substitute the given. Therefore, we have now c is equal to, copy the constant 2, and then the value of pi, which is 3.14, times our r, which is 2.3 centimeter. Then multiply 2 times 3.14 first. So we have now c is equal to 6.28 multiplied by our 2.3 centimeter. And 6.28 times 2.3 centimeter, we have 14.44 centimeter. Therefore, the circumference of a circle having a radius of 2.3 centimeter is 14.44 centimeter. Letter B, find the area of a circle. Use 3.14 as the value of pi. So we're now on area. First, we need to find the given for number 1. So r is equal to 8 meter or 8 m. And then find the formula for circle. We have a is equal to pi r squared. A means area. And then after that, for our solution, first we need to copy the formula as our guide and then substitute the given. Therefore, we have now A is equal to, the value of pi is 3.14 multiplied by the value of r, which is 8 meter squared. Then after that, applying PEMDAS or order of operation, we will do first the exponent. So we have now area is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 8 times 8, we have 64. Meter times meter, we have meter squared or m raised to the second power. Then after that, multiply 3.14 times 64. So we have area is equal to 200.96. Then copy the unit m to the second power. So we read this as area is equal to 200.96 meter squared or squared meter. Therefore, the area of a circle with a radius 8 meter is 200.96 meter squared or squared meter. Next, for number 2, the given is r is equal to 11 millimeter. Then for our formula, we will use the same. Area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. And for our solution, first we need to copy the formula as our guide and then substitute the given. Therefore, we have a is equal to the value of pi, 3.14, multiplied by the value of r. We have 11 millimeter and then squared. Next, applying the order of operation, we will do first the exponent. So we have 11 times 11. So we have now a is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 121. And millimeter times millimeter, we have millimeter squared or millimeter raised to the second power. Then after that, multiply 3.14 times 121, we have a is equal to 379.94. Then copy the units millimeter squared. Therefore, the area of a circle with a radius 11 millimeter is 379.94 millimeter squared. Letter C, find the volume of a cube. So when we say cube, all the edges or sides are the same or congruent. So for our given number 1, S is equal to 12 centimeter. And for our solution for cube, we have V is equal to S cube, wherein S is the measurement of the sides. And for our solution, first we need to copy the formula. So we have V is equal to S cube. Why do we always need to copy the formula when we do the solution? Because the formula is our guide. Then after that, substitute the given. So we have now V is equal to our S, which is 12 centimeter, and then raised to the third power. Then after that, we can write it in expanded form. So we have V is equal to 12 centimeter times 12 centimeter times 12 centimeter. So multiplying 12 times 12 times 12, we have now 1,728. And for our units, simply copy the unit centimeter and then count how many times we multiply. So we have 1, 2, 3. So our exponent for our units is 3. Therefore, we have volume is equal to 1,728 cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. So again, as I mentioned a while ago, the differences between volume and area, if it is volume, the units is raised to the third power. And in area, the unit is raised to the second power. Therefore, the volume of a cube with 12 centimeter edges or sides is 1,728 centimeter cube. And for our number 2, the given is S is equal to 8 centimeter. And we're going to use the same formula, V is equal to S cube or S to the third power. Then solution, first copy the formula as our guide, then substitute the given. Therefore, we have now V is equal to, our S is 8 centimeters. So we have 8 centimeter raised to the third power. Then we can write in expanded form. So we have now V is equal to 8 centimeter times 8 centimeter times 8 centimeter. And multiplying the numbers, 8 times 8 times 8, we have now 512. And then simply copy the units centimeter, then count how many times you multiplied the units, 1, 2, and 3. Therefore, we have 3 as our exponent. Therefore, The volume of a cube with 8 centimeter edges or sides is 512 centimeter cube. Letter D, find the volume of a rectangular prism. So let's find first for the given. Length is 8 meter, width is 3 meter, and height is 5 meter. And for the formula of rectangular prism, we have V is equal to length times width times height, or V is equal to L times W times H. Then solution, first we need to copy the formula as our guide, then substitute the given. So we have now V is equal to, for L we have 8 meter multiplied by W, 3 meter, times H, which is 5 meter. Applying PEMDAS, we have 8 times 3, we have 24, and then M times M, and then squared, times 5 meter. Then 24 times 5, we have 120. And M squared times M, we have M cubed. Simply copy M and then raise to the third power. As I had mentioned a while ago, when we talk on volume, the unit is always to the power of 3. Therefore, the area of a rectangular prism with 8 meter by 3 meter by 5 meter dimension is 120 cubic meter or meter cube. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. Please do watch, like, share, and subscribe. Keep safe. God bless us all. Bye and thank you.